we gotta warm up the lobby a little bit. Warm it up. We're warming it up. We're warming up the lobby. Warming up the. Let me blow on it. There we go. There we go. It gotta warm up. It gotta warm up. Y'all chill. It gotta warm up. It gotta warm up. It gotta warm up. Chill, chill, chill. It's warming. Okay, let's just. Oh my. Bruh. Nah. Nah. Oh my. It was not like this yesterday. Hold on, bruh. Let me fix this. Let me fix this. I'm gonna warm this hoe up. I'm gonna warm this hoe up. I blew on it. It should be better. High elo lobbies. Let's go. Oh my. If it's not a high elo day, we just don't do it, bro. This I feel like I seen this girl. 5'2", Christian, Hispanic, don't have kids. I seen this girl. What? What? I literally seen this girl. I seen this girl. Where's my fucking? Oh, haven't I seen you before? Haven't I seen? Haven't I seen you before? Send that shit. I seen that girl before. Michigan. Me in the Wild. Maury. Lauren. Samia. I don't even know who's. I don't like this. Like I don't like when I can't tell who's who, bro. Making my life difficult and shit. I gotta Bob the Builder this bitch. She's not. Um. Not gonna lie, this gave me the ick, but you get a pass because you're 5'5". I just gave me the ick. You gotta make sure it's all lowercase too. Fundamental sound. That's fundamental balance right there. All lowercase. I'm gonna put a basketball. We're gonna put a basketball. We're gonna put a basketball. No. Jaylena. Oh, she's pretty, I guess. We're in higher elo. The elo has been fixed. The elo has been fixed. Sony. She had a chin. She got a sharp chin. Is that just my phone, or that video just bad quality? Or is everything just bad quality? What the fuck? Hood Rich. Dream. Raven. Well, depending on who's next. Enoyana. Yo. Yo, look at her shoulders. Look at her shoulders. And she have, oh my God, bro. She has the rear delts and the delts of delts, bro. Um, damn. The Zooey Mamas? I don't really want her, though. I don't really want it. I'm just saying, like, this girl's strong, bro. She's big, strong. Damn. Good for her, man. Us. Us. 5'7". Uh. Let me hear this. Who the hell is that? Nah, but she's heavy. She's heavy. Tank. Fuck. Ugh. I gotta do it for the people. I'm a man of the people, bro. What's the emoji? This is how you do it, bro. I'm a man of the people, bro. I'm a man of the people. It's not me. Ariana. Oh my God. I just said arena. Oh my God. I cannot read. Cassandra. She knows what she doing. Why she not facing forward? Oh, she pretty though. I think. No. I'm good. Too young. Young. Strong. Young. Wait, whoa. I just passed two back to back that I didn't really even look at. Leah. Oh. No. Bro. Did I just see that? Nah. She on that, I wanna kill my mom. I wanna kill my dad. Nah. If you can't hang by SW, what does that mean? If you can't hang by SWS, what does that mean? I'm not cultured. Nah, I like this one low key. How tall is this? 5'9". Nah, she give me like Billie Eilish vibes. She give me like Billie Eilish vibes. First round is on me if I lose. I go crazy for Brazilians. Let's take that down. Write that down. I will destroy you in FIFA. That's like it's a calm shot. Because I don't really know Amanda. Okay, I think our elo might be fixed. I ain't gonna lie. I think our elo might be fixed. Okay, so we got, let's keep going. Samantha. Why everybody named Samantha, bro? She's pretty though. Nicole eating popcorn. What is she? Yo, she's pretty. Wait. Being fun. Sleeping is my greatest pleasure. Western short-term relationship open to long. Lululemon. Hispanic, Latina, and Southeast Asian. Eating pop crocs. Wait, let me see the last one before because she's kind of pretty too. Samantha, my BFF's take on why you should date me. Your beauty is no like. You are fully educated. You can both be straight and lesbian and men like some Yuri. I don't get it. I don't. What does this mean? Like some Yuri. 4, won't cheat because you would be the only one thinking about Leon Kennedy. Amazing takes. You a freak. That is the most important information you should take away. Figuring out I don't use Insta, by the way. You communicate with me through Hinge. I appear in your dreams. My best blue steel. I have a Joe Gerberg-esque obsession with him. I was with yippee STEM majors and an accent. She's kind of pretty, but she's kind of retarded, you know. She's kind of slow in the brain. Because I didn't... I'm conflicted. You see, because I didn't understand that first entire whole part. But that you a freak, I understand that perfectly. I understand that perfectly. The only line... Wait, no. The only number I read was 6. I read... The only number I read was 6? What emoji? Is this a good shot? Or is it a shot from distance? Is this a shot with my eyes closed? The only number I read was 6. This is a some will say this is not a good shot, but we're gonna shoot that. Let that bit drop. Hit her with the Zooey mama. Zooey mamas to be exact. Just like this. Zooey with the heart. Zooey mamas. You can use this one or the other one with the hard eyes. Zooey mamas. That's gonna work. Zooey mamas always works. So why is my glasses dirty now, bro? The lane. Gabby. Jen. Oh my god, but this is such a red flag. Girls with this tattoo right here. When the tattoo's like here, anywhere over here, this gotta be like the reddest of the reddest flags, bro. From right here to right here, this whole like collar area, red flag. But I might have to do it. Go on vacation realizing you want to move there. 5'7". She's a she gotta be Filipino. I like this tattoo though. What is this? What tattoo is this? Should I just suck it up? Nah, she look good though. She look good. You gotta hit her with that. Jen. This is that way I hit her with. Jen. Or is this not a good shot? Is this not a valid shot? Jen. Well, you wouldn't get it if you're not from New York, or you did not listen to 41. This is a crazy shot. I ain't gonna lie. I like it, but it's just like this tattoo's throwing me off. But should I just stop bitching? I don't even know what this is. This is like an eagle bird or something. She's 5'7", 21. Go crazy for romantic. Getting me flowers. She's pretty though. She's pretty though. I ain't gonna lie, mud. I ain't gonna lie. This picture's right here is crazy. This picture is crazy too. We're gonna go. We're just gonna shoot a Zooey Mama. Zooey Mamas. Zooey Mamas never fails. When you don't know what to shoot a Zooey Mamas. It's the most reliable. A Zooey Mamas is the most reliable jump shot you could take. Zooey Mamas, yeah. The most reliable jump shot you can take. Not too crazy, not too light. Oh, we are in high elo. 5'9", soccer, gym, volleyball, music, and church. Indonesian, Japanese. She's from Singapore and Venezuela. Y'all wouldn't think I know my flags, but I know my flags. That's Singapore and Venezuela. The red flag spine tattoo though. Oh yes. No, something might be wrong though. Something might be wrong. Wait. Telly, she's not. Am I tripping? Or is something wrong? Let me teach you how. Routine. Now this is a good shot. This is a This is a This is a This is a good shot. This is a good shot. This is a really good shot. This is a really good shot. I like this shot. Yes, this is a good shot. I fucks with this shot.